ninth chapter, differentiation. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 1A, part 9. Last part completed important formulas of the differentiation. That formulas completed, you can read and write perfectly that formulas. You can easily understood in this 2 marks bits, exercise 9A, similarly exercise 9B, both combination explained 2 marks problems. Find the derivative of the following function. This one is the question. In this question, first problem is square root of 2x plus 3 plus square root of 7 minus 3x. First of all, we have to take this function is y. Put y equal to square root of 2x plus 3 plus square root of 7 minus 3x. In this problem, you get derivative on both sides. Derivative on both sides with respect to x. With respect to x, d by dx of y equal to d by dx of square root of 2x plus 3 plus square root of 7 minus 3x. Here, both sides you can derivative with respect to x. You can write dy by dx symbol or whole dash symbol or capital D symbol or suffix 1 symbol. You can write any one. That's why this can be as dy by dx. First, here two functions is there, two different functions plus is there. That's why you can write in this function separated derivative. You get what? D by dx of square root of 2x plus 3 plus d by dx of square root of 7 minus x. After that, derivative of square root of u. Formula is there. What is the formula of derivative of square root of u? 1 by 2 root u. 1 by 2 root u into derivative of u. This is the formula of derivative of square root of u. In this formula, u is 1 here. Here first term u is 2x plus 3, second term u is 7 minus 3x. That's why you can write dy by dx equal to 1 by 2 root u. U value is 2x plus 3 into derivative of 2x plus 3, derivative of 2x plus 3 plus 1 by 2 root u value is 7 minus 3x into derivative of 7 minus 3x. Understood or not students? Once again explained this in the form of square root of u. You can use square root of u formula. You get similarly do that problem. Next, dy by dx equal to 1 by 2 into square root of 2x plus 3. 2 into square root of 2x plus 3. You can write this one is first to d by dx of 2x plus d by dx of 3. You can separate a derivative plus 1 by 2 root 7 minus 3x into d by dx of 7 minus d by dx of 3x. After that you can write dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 root 2x plus 3 into derivative of 2x. Here 2 get common. What is the derivative of x? Derivative of x already explained. That is 1. That's why you can write 2 into 1 plus derivative of 3. 3 is here constant. Constant derivative is 0 plus you can write 1 by 2 root 7 minus 3x into derivative of 7. 7 is constant. The derivative is 0 minus derivative of 3x. 3 get common. What is the derivative of x? 1. 3 into 1. You can write 2 into 1 2. 2 plus 0 you get 2. 2 by 2 into square root of 2x plus 3 plus 0 minus 3 into 1 minus 3. 0 minus 3 you get minus 3. This value is minus 3 by 2 into square root of 7 minus 3x. 2 get cancelled. Remaining what? Remaining dy by dx is equal to 1 by square root of 2x plus 3 minus 3 by 2 into square root of 7 minus 3x. This is the derivative of given function. This is the way you can solve the problem. Any problem you can solve, first you can use formula. That's why you can read and write formulas perfectly. You get easily solving these problems and easily understood in this way problems. Next problem is x square minus 3 into 4x cube plus 1. This is the next problem. First of all, given function, you have to take, let's put y is equal to x square minus 3 into 4x cube plus 1. This is the given function, we have to write y. After that, derivative on both sides, derivative on both sides with respect to x. With respect to x, what is that? d by dx of y equal to d by dx of x square minus 3 into 4x cube plus 1. X square minus 3 into 4x cube plus 1. After that, you can write this first function is u, second function is v. This is in the form of derivative of u into v. What is the derivative of u into v? Derivative of u into v formula, u into d by dx of v plus v into d by dx of u. This is the derivative of uv. Derivative of uv formula. In this formula, you can write u value is x square minus 3, v value is 4x cube plus 1. That's why you can write dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to, you can write u value is x square minus 3 into v, derivative of v value is 4x cube plus 1 plus here v value is 4x cube plus 1 into derivative of u value is x square minus 3. X square minus 3. After that, you can write x square minus 3 into, here you can separate u plus v formula, separated derivative of 4x cube plus derivative of 1 plus, here also be 4x cube minus 1 into derivative of x square minus derivative of 3. Derivative of x square minus derivative of 3. After that, x square minus 3 into, here 4x cube, 4 can be common, remaining x cube is there. X cube derivative, 3x square. Already completed formulas. Next, 1 nothing but constant derivative is 0 plus 4x cube minus 1 into derivative of x square. Derivative of x square nothing but 2x minus derivative of constant value is 0. After that, you can write x square minus 3 into 4 these are 12x square plus 4x cube minus 1 into 2x. This is the derivative of given function. This derivative you can simplify nothing but multiply this derivative, you get what? dy by dx. This is also the correct answer, but sometimes the answer in the form of total multiplication. That we can write 12x square into x square, 12 into x power 4, 12x square minus 3 nothing but 36x square plus 4x cube into 2x, 8x power 4 minus 2x into 1 minus 2x. After that, you can descending order 12x power 4, 8x power 4, 20x power 4 minus 36x square minus 2x. This is the derivative of given function. This is also the correct answer. Some textbook this answer is there, some textbook this answer is there. You can write anyone's answer, you get 2 marks. This is the UV formula model problem. Next, today assignment problem or homework problem, previous problem model. What is the first assignment problem? E power 2x into log of 3x plus 4. You can write this is first of all this is y, this is u, this is v. You can write uv formula. d by dx of u into v formula 1. U into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. This is the formula. In this formula, u value is e power 2x. Here we can write e power 2x into derivative of log of 2x plus 3 plus log of, sorry, here 3x plus 4. In this next, log of 3x plus 4 into derivative of u value is e power 2x. Here in this formula you can write this value, this is dy by dx. After that you can write e power 2x into log x derivative is there. Log x derivative 1 by x, but here log u is there. This total u, that is 1 by u, nothing but 3x plus 4 into derivative of 3x plus 4. See student, this is very useful key. Here you can write in place of x, you can write any value, that value you can write after that derivative that value. Here in place of x, dx plus 4 is there, that is you can write after that derivative plus log of 3x plus 4 into, here also we e power x derivative is e power x, but e power x is not there here. E power 2x nothing but, you can write in place of x 2x is there, you can write 2x after the derivative 2x, after the derivative of 2x. After that you can write e power 2x by 3x plus 4 into, here 3 common, x derivative is 1, 3 into 1 plus 4 derivative is 0 plus log of 3x plus 4 into e power 2x into 2x derivative is 2. Why? Because 2x derivative is 2. Here 2 is get common, x derivative 1, 2 into 1 you get 2. After that in this 2 term which one is common? Just e power 2x is common. Remaining what? 3 by 3x plus 4 plus 2 into log of 3x plus 4. This is the derivative of first function. Understood or not students? In place of x, any value, that value you can write, and after that derivative, that value. Okay students, this is a very key point of in this differentiation chapter. After that, second problem, we have to take this one is y. After that, this is u, this is v. You can write u into v formula. What is that formula of u into v? Then u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. You can write u value 4 plus x, e value e power 2x, e power 2x derivative, e power 2x into derivative of 2x. After that, this is also v. You can write y. This is u, this is v. You can write uv formula. What is that formula uv? U into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. Here square root of x is there. Square root of x derivative is 1 by 2 root x. Okay students, this is the homework problems. This homework problem subject is given. You can use that in the total problem you can solve.